just doing some pre-installation here. You can see on the face of the headphone that you have a plastic piece right there and a plastic piece right here. That's where the back of the ear pad lines up with, and those two plastic pieces fit into two smaller holes on the back of the ear pad. That's how you align them, and then you just go around and push it in place, just around the edge here. No need to push in the middle, you just push on the ear pads, push straight down into here. And it will end up looking like that when you're done. You have the right side with the USB port or the charging port. The left side has the audio port on it. So in the box that you get, you're going to have a wet cleaning wipe, a dry cleaning wipe. You're also going to have the blue stick. And the blue stick is used to pry the ear pads off. However, even though the blue stick is a nice tool to have, if you can get a dull table knife like so, that's the best thing to use. So I'm going to use this section. So first thing you want to do is pick a side. So I'm going to go with this side here, and what you want to do is grab the ear pad and the headphone, and you want to try and peel it back so that you get a little bit of a gap right here. See, there's a gap right there where my finger is, and that's where I want to start the process of getting the knife in there and just lifting up. And then work your way around. You don't want to pry it too hard because then you might chip the plastic on the side here. There we go. And that is off. Now normally, this ear pad is actually one of my ear pads. Normally what you're going to have is, if you're removing the original ear pads, there's going to be a thin line of tape / adhesive here left over. And what you want to do is you want to use the scraper here to scrape that off, just like that. So it comes off. You can also use your finger and just rub it, and sometimes it'll ball up and you can just peel the whole thing off at one go. But if there's anything that's left behind, you take the scraper and use the edge, and you can do that around the sides. You can see this little bit right here. And the reason why you want the adhesive removed is because the new adhesive that you put on won't stick as well, or even at all, if the old adhesive is there. So you can see I'm using my finger here to rub this off as well. There you go. Right, on to number 2, same thing. I'm going to peel back the ear pad, get the knife in there, or the tool, whichever one you want to use. You only need to go in on the corner, so only the tip, maybe that far on the knife in. go. That one is off as well. And there's no tape there. However, what you would normally do here is after you've scraped off all of the gunk that there would be here, you would now take the wet wipe and you're going to wipe down these edges, just like that. You just want to get on the edge here where you see where the ear pad attaches. Clean it up nicely. Do it to the other one. Just on the edge here. Now this one's the wet one. You do not want to put the wet one over top of the speaker here, because if any water gets in there, it's going to be trouble. So, wet one's done. Now we have the drying one. And same thing just around the edges. Edges here as well. There you go. Okay, installing the ear pads. You're going to look at the headphones and you're going to notice that the charging port, this is the right side ear pad, and then the other side is the left side ear pad. On both of these, you're going to see on the earphone face right here, there is two plastic little bits that are sticking out, one there and one there, and these align with the holes on the ear pad. So there's gonna be, this is the left one, so there's one right there, and there's one right there. They're the smaller holes compared to the bigger ones here. So on our ear pads, I'm going to start with the right one, and basically you have the 3M tape on the back, and there's a little tab right here that you can pull, and it removes them nice and easy to reveal the adhesive. And all you need to do is pick the right side with the power port, and I'm going to align the small plastic piece here, right there, and right there, with that little hole there and that hole right there. And then the rest of it will align after that. So the best way to do it is like here, from the top. If you look down, you can see that fits there, and then that fits right there. And I can also see right here that it's fitting over the gap nicely. And then all I want to do is push down. Now the key here with pushing down is you don't want to touch anything to do with this button here or this button here, because if you push too hard, you'll break it. So what you want to do is you want to get your thumbs around the back of the plastic frame here on the headphone, and you just want to squeeze with your fingers and your thumbs. Hold it for a couple seconds and switch, and keep going around doing the same thing. I haven't touched this at all. I'm only touching the back of the frame here. Now we can do is check the side, so it seems to have stuck already, but I'm going to do it one more time just to be sure. So let's start from the top here, squeeze with the thumbs and the fingers. That one should be good now. Going to the left one, so same thing. Grab the tab, peel it off. We're aligning the little hole here and the little hole here with the plastic bit there and the plastic bit there. That's good to go. Just lightly press it so it sticks in place. Oh wait, no, didn't fit. That's why you lightly press it first, in case you mess it up. So, right there, and there. Now I lightly press it again. Now it's in place properly. So now I know that I can push it down for real. Let's check it. Seems to be stuck in place. Not so much there. So I'm going to go one more time. I'm going to focus on the spot where it wasn't stuck. Hold it a bit longer. Only touching the back plastic here. Right. That is looking pretty good. Yep. Okay. And that's that.